There's something truly captivating about the art of wood carving. It's one of those crafts that effortlessly bridges the past and present, tradition and innovation, simplicity and complexity. Unique wood carving designs in particular have a way of standing out not just for their beauty, but for the stories they tell and the emotions they evoke. When you see a truly original carving, something that feels personal and intentional, it's not just a decorative object anymore, it becomes an experience. What makes a wood carving design unique? It isn't always about the complexity or the level of detail, although those can be impressive. It's often about the soul of the piece, the thought behind it, the idea that the artist didn't just carve what they saw but what they felt. That's what transforms a block of wood into a breathtaking piece of art, when imagination takes the lead and every cut becomes an expression of vision. One of the most beautiful things about wood carving is how it respects the character of the wood itself. No two pieces of wood are ever exactly alike. The grain, the color variations, the knots and imperfections, they all tell a story of time and nature. When a carver works with that instead of against it, the result is something completely unrepeatable. A unique wood carving design embraces these natural elements, letting them enhance the piece rather than trying to hide them. In modern times, artists are pushing the boundaries of wood carving in ways we've never seen before. They're blending techniques, fusing cultural influences, and experimenting with abstract and conceptual themes that weren't traditionally part of wood art. You'll see carvings that play with negative space, where the focus is on the parts that aren't carved as much as the parts that are. You'll find faces hidden within folds of carved wood that seem to emerge from the grain like ghosts. You'll see sculptures that seem to twist and defy gravity, using intricate cuts and careful shaping to suggest motion or emotion. Then there's the play with scale. Some artists work on tiny carvings, small enough to fit on a fingertip. Others go big, turning whole tree trunks into towering figures or large wall panels that dominate a room with their presence. No matter the size, it's the intention and imagination that breathe life into each piece. A simple bird carved into a branch can feel just as magical as a 6-foot totem, depending on how it's approached. What's especially inspiring is how many carvers now are creating pieces that blend traditional cultural styles with contemporary themes. You'll see folk art motifs carved into sleek, modern silhouettes, or ancient symbols reimagined in new contexts. This fusion gives each piece a unique energy. It's both familiar and fresh, old and new. It reminds us that wood carving is a living art form. It's constantly evolving just like the people who practice it. One amazing trend is how carvers are using storytelling in their designs. They might carve a scene that unfolds across a panel, like a journey from one side to another, where each part tells a different chapter of a story. Sometimes it's deeply personal, like a reflection of family history, grief, love, or cultural pride. Sometimes it's whimsical and playful, capturing the innocence of childhood or the beauty of nature. What makes it unique is that the design speaks. It communicates without words, letting the viewer feel something they might not expect. We also can't ignore how texture plays a role in these designs. A truly unique carving will often mix different surface textures, smooth polished areas next to deeply grooved or rough parts, to create contrast and rhythm. The way light falls on these surfaces, the way your hand moves across them, it all adds to the experience. It's not just visual, it's tactile. It invites interaction, attention, and appreciation. In today's world, many artists are experimenting with combining wood carving with other materials. You might see a carved wooden piece with inlays of resin, metal, glass, or even stone. These hybrid designs are stunning because they showcase both the natural softness of wood and the contrasting sharpness or shimmer of other elements. And yet, when done well, everything feels cohesive. The materials don't clash, they complement each other, enhancing the uniqueness of the design. There's also a growing interest in organic and asymmetrical shapes. Instead of sticking to traditional symmetry, many carvers are allowing the natural flow of the wood to determine the form. This approach often results in carvings that feel almost alive, like they've grown rather than been made. The design might spiral, twist, or bloom in unexpected ways, making the viewer pause and admire the creativity that went into bringing that vision out of the wood. Let's not forget the emotional impact of carving. A truly unique wood carving isn't just admired, it's felt. The best pieces draw you in. They make you wonder how they were made, what the artist was thinking, or what message lies hidden in the grain. It might be a face so expressive it looks like it's about to speak. or a pattern so mesmerizing that you can't look away. The emotion is what elevates the design. It's what transforms craftsmanship into art. And while many wood carving designs are meant to stand alone as sculptures or panels, there's a growing appreciation for integrating carving into functional objects. A simple stool or chair becomes extraordinary when carved with a flowing design that feels both artistic and ergonomic. Doors, headboards, shelves, and tables, when carved with intention, become functional sculptures that enrich daily life. You're not just using furniture. You're living with art. There's also something poetic about carving something so solid and sturdy as wood into forms that feel delicate and fluid. It's a kind of visual magic, watching something hard take on the illusion of softness. Some carvers can make a wooden ribbon look like it's fluttering in the breeze, or carve leaves so thin they look like they might crumble under your breath. That kind of design, where wood defies its own nature, is a true testament to skill and vision. And of course, one of the reasons wood carving continues to captivate is its slow, intentional nature. There's no rushing a good carving. It takes time, patience, and deep focus. Every movement matters. Every decision is deliberate. In a fast-paced world where everything is instant and disposable, wood carving offers the opposite. It invites us to slow down, to appreciate the process, and to find joy in the journey, not just the result. Carvers often speak of a connection they feel with the wood, a kind of dialogue. The grain guides them, the knots suggest a turn in the design, the smell of fresh cuts reminds them of the tree's life. This connection, this intimacy between artist and material, is what makes each piece feel so unique. It's not just shaped by hands. It's shaped by feeling, by instinct, and by a deep respect for the medium. And maybe that's what we love most about unique wood carving designs. They remind us that beauty doesn't have to be loud or flashy. That the most moving creations aren't always the ones demanding attention, but the ones quietly inviting us to pause, to observe, to feel. There's something humbling about watching a raw piece of wood become a work of art, through patience, through skill, and most importantly, through care. These carvings don't just happen. They're shaped, slowly, intentionally, with hands that know the grain, the flaws, the potential within each curve. That's the magic of it all. The way something so ordinary, like a chunk of wood, can hold within it so much possibility. And in the hands of an artist, it's not just shaped, it's transformed. Every chip, every stroke, every line is a decision, a mark of attention, a reflection of someone's imagination and dedication. When you stand in front of a carved piece, whether it's simple or intricate, rustic or refined, you're seeing more than just design. You're seeing time. You're seeing effort. You're seeing a moment of connection between a person and a natural material. These carvings speak, not in words but in feeling. They carry a quiet wisdom. They tell stories, not just of the wood but of the person behind the blade. They remind us that the world is still full of wonders, even in the smallest places. That inspiration doesn't always need noise, it just needs presence. A carved figure might recall a memory, a place, a belief. An abstract piece might stir emotions you didn't expect. That's what makes them so compelling. They go beyond decoration. They become conversation pieces, reflections of identity, and sources of calm. So whether you're an admirer of the craft, a collector of handmade treasures, or someone who simply enjoys the quiet poetry of wood, unique carving designs have something to offer. They're not just beautiful objects. They're grounding. They pull you out of the rush and into a more mindful moment. They're inspiring, because they show what happens when someone puts heart into their work. They're real, in a world that often feels filtered, fast, and forgettable. In a time where so much of what we see is mass-produced, where trends move quicker than we can follow, wood carving stands still. They wait. They don't need to shout. They don't need to change with the season. They just are. Honest, original, full of character. And maybe that's why they matter so much right now, because they help us remember that the best things in life often take time. That it's okay to move slowly, to create deliberately, to find meaning in the little things. So the next time you see a piece of carved wood, whether it's a delicate figurine, a storytelling mask, a modern sculpture, or even just a small ornament, pause. Really look at it. Trace the lines with your eyes. Feel the texture with your fingers if you can. Imagine the hours that went into it, the quiet focus, the moments of trial and triumph. Let it speak to you not just as a piece of art, but as a piece of someone's soul made visible. Because that's the truth of it, wood carving is more than craft. is more than beauty. It's a way of preserving human expression in its most tactile, earthy form. And in the hands of an artist, even the most ordinary block of wood becomes extraordinary,